What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. You know what it is, Myraa Mail, a channel all about motivation, uplifting your vibrations, thinking outside of the box, and whatever else I come up with that you probably won't care about. Here are some questions every dreamer should ask themselves. Question number 1. What is your why? Why do you want to do this? What is the reason why? What does it mean to you? I mean, for what? Like, why are you putting energy into this? Who is this for? Is this for you? Is this for your future family? Is this for the community? Is this for fun? Is this something that you just want to do because who cares? I just want to do something. What is your why? Why are you focused on this? And depending on what you come up with, that will show if you are truly passionate about this and if this is for you. Question number 2. You should always ask yourself, will I do this if there was no monetary value? Will I pursue this dream? Will I pursue this thing or this hobby or this clothing line or this music or this YouTube channel? I create these YouTube videos and it is up to you guys to invest your time into my channel. Monetary does not mean money. It doesn't always mean money. Will you still do it if no one's watching, if no one's paying for it, if no one's giving you the investment that you want or that you expect? Will you still do it? Will you still dive in fully? Will you still give it 110%? Will you still do all of that if no one will possibly even care? I mean, are you so passionate about something that if people don't pay for it, you're gonna still produce it, you're gonna still go for it, you're gonna still tell yourself that this is something that you deserve? Will you still do it if no one's purchasing your products? Number 3. Another question you should ask yourself is, how will this help me grow spiritually or mentally? All of this that I'm putting my energy into, will this come back full circle and give me the nourishment I need? All these seeds that I'm planting, will they eventually grow into something more? Are these things that I'm putting all of this passion into, all of this hard work into, will it actually help me spiritually? Will it help me as a person? Or am I just putting all of this energy into something that I think would possibly help other people? Understand, everything that I'm putting into something, all of this passion that I'm putting into something, it still has to benefit me. I want to make a change, I want to make a difference, but is it benefiting me spiritually and mentally and emotionally? Have my little notes so I can be organized. Number 4. Another question to ask yourself is, how will I define success? What does success look like to me? When I do this, what will success look like to me? I am doing all of this because I want to get X, Y, and Z from it. I want people to be spiritually involved. I am doing this YouTube channel because I want people to ask themselves questions. I would like people to dig deeper, to expand their thoughts. I would like people to be motivated. What does success look like to me? How will I measure success? It doesn't have to, like I said, monetary value doesn't have to be money. Success does not equal money. Success does not equal money. Money does not equal success. People are rich, I mean like trillionaires, and they still are not successful. They're still not getting the things that they want. Family could mean success. Spiritual growth can mean success. I mean, you come up with whatever you define success. That's your definition. That's not up to me. That's not up to the polls or the views or the invoice at the end of the month. That does not look like success. Success is defined by you. And what does that look like for you? Truly, really though. What did it look like for you? That's up to you to decide. So 5. Ask yourself, have I manifested this yet? Have I manifested what the success will look like? Have I envisioned it so thoroughly and thought so deeply about it? I can feel it in between my fingers. I can smell it when I wake up. I live it, breathe it. I know it is already there. I am here in it. Have you already manifested your success? Are you living in it? Are you living in it as if it is current, as if it is now? I've already sold out all of my products. Even if you have not even got that goal already, you need to be in your head like, oh my God, I already made $20 million. I already got 10 people to donate money to my nonprofit organization. Even if they didn't, even if that does not exist, have you already manifested these outcomes and made it to where it already exists. Just because it's not in front of you, just because you cannot hold it yet, I already manifested it so much that it is already my truth and that I am living in it already. Let me know if you guys are some dreamers and you already have manifested what you want and you are already breathing it, you're already living it. Let me know. Every dreamer should know why, should understand their purpose, should understand if this is gonna feed them and help nourish them. Ask yourself these questions. I wonder when the next full moon is. Like, let's see. I have this little app. It's called The Moon. The next full moon is literally tonight. Dig deeper, you guys. You know I'm gonna always say it. Dig deep, ask questions. If you have not already checked out my other videos, I will add those links in the cards above, so go ahead and check those out. Remember to stay happy, ask yourself questions, dream a little, live a little, have fun, get out in the sun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, stay happy, beautiful people. Bye.